Merissa V. Grayson here, and thank you for tuning in and watching my channel. If this is your first time, you are watching Blended Family TV, where we cut through all of the blended family BS to help you get your family from blended family drama to blended family peace and harmony. And today we're talking blended family law and order, representing yourself in court. Representing yourself can be a very tedious and complex and stressful, draining task because you're essentially trying to do what I do. And what I do, I learned how to do it by going to school for years and years and years and years and years and years and spending lots and lots and lots and lots of money learning how to do it. And unfortunately, when my blended family went through the court system with our ugly custody battle, I was not yet an attorney, so trust me, I know what you're going through. Have you ever heard the saying that he who represents himself has a fool for a client? And it's true, because representing yourself in court is similar to, let's say, trying to fix your own car and handle a task that only your mechanic would be able to do. Or trying to pull your own tooth or fix your own cavity. Ouch. Nonetheless, there are plenty of reasons why someone would make the decision to represent themselves in their family law case. Whether that be because you can't afford an attorney, or maybe you have legal experience and you feel as though you don't need one because you can just figure it out yourself. Or maybe it's because you want to have complete control over your case and make sure that things are done the way that you want them to be done. Either way, if you're going to do it, you might as well do it right? So here are a few tips to help you represent yourself and hopefully not screw your case up. The same rules apply to you that would apply to any other attorney who will be representing you or going against you. I didn't know, I couldn't find, I couldn't do. Those are not excuses. So you need to be prepared to know the things that you need to know. And the main thing that you need to know are the rules and the laws and the procedures in the court system. Research is vital. Attorneys who are representing their clients spend hours and hours and hours conducting research and developing a case plan and a case strategy to achieve the goals that they're trying to achieve for their clients. And you need to do the same. That means that you might have to take a day or two or a couple of weeks or a couple of hours, whatever you may need, to spend some time at your local law library so that you can become familiar with the rules and the laws and things that you'll need in order to represent yourself. Don't go up in there talking about you don't know this or you don't know that and you didn't understand. No, that's not an option. Remember, you don't have the option to use that as an excuse. So make sure that you invest the time and energy into doing the research and knowing what laws support your arguments and what laws go against them. Get legal advice. You at minimum should sit down with a lawyer and pick their brain, so to speak, to get some legal input, some professional input on your case so that you're not spinning your wheels for nothing. A lot of times what we think is the best strategy for our own families and for our own selves is not within the laws or the rules that we have to use when it comes to making a decision for our case. So you need to make sure that you consult with a legal professional and have them help you develop a plan and walk you through it and explain the things that you need to know, the things that you need to do, and the things that you need to win, because that's what this is all about, right? Another thing that you must understand is that if the other party is represented by an attorney, attorneys can be intimidating. That's just the way that it goes. That's what we were trained to do. But one thing is for certain, you have to be very certain about what it is that you want with your case, what is required to win your case, and you need to be prepared to fight just as an attorney would fight for you. That means that you need to be prepared with your witnesses. You need to be prepared by knowing your objections. You need to have all of your evidence in order. You need to have your testimony clear and relevant to the facts of your case. You need to know the law and be able to recite the law to the court in a manner that will convince them that what you're requesting is what is required under the law or what is best for your child or your situation. If you're going to act as your lawyer, then you have to act like a lawyer. Treat your case like a business and expect the same from yourself that you would expect if you were hiring a lawyer to come and represent you. Because after all, your client, you, are depending on you. If you have questions about representing yourself and how this whole thing works, please comment below. And if you haven't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button for weekly tips on blended family living. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please share it with someone who could use the information. Until next time.